Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Mini Cooper, stock number 6813. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 9th 2016. It has an N16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder non-turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the N16 1.6 litre non-turbo 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, manual gear shifter, right front master switch, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,